Hey, Carl Topping here, and how's it going? Now, first of all, before I get into some commission proof and a great system that can help you generate commissions as an affiliate marketer, let me just prove that I'm a real person. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. Feel free, time recording this video, but it's YouTube channel, it's a few years old. You can click the link somewhere beneath this video to check me out, as well as my Facebook page. Okay, there I am, Carl Topping. That's my Facebook page. I'm a real person. I'm not some AI generated voice or person like there's so much of nowadays. I'm a real person. Now, let me show you some affiliate commissions which have been generated from a business model called affiliate marketing. It's basically where you promote other people's products and services. Any sales you generate, you receive a commission. Now, depending on what products and services it is, depends on the amount of commissions you are going to be receiving. And then after this, we are going to look into a system that can help you also generate commissions like myself, and you can generate them pretty quickly, as in a short space of time, because this system is proven to get people sales time and time again. So let's head over and check out some affiliate commissions. Okay, so first of all, this is from one of my affiliate accounts, and these are basically commissions that have been generated by the system I'm going to share with you. And these have been generated over a period of time because I do promote different products and services, so I don't stick to the same ones all the time. But as you can see so far, as an affiliate, I've generated $1,670.45 from using this system alone. And that is so far because I'm continuing to use this system to generate more commissions. Next is another affiliate platform where I've actually generated over $3,000, nearly $4,000 using this system, but this shows a few $100s because it will only go back to a certain period of time. And you'll see also there are some links, some tracking links here where I'm able to know that they're coming from this particular system. As you'll see, all these links are from this system. Moving on to the next program, and you will see in this program, actually in this particular account, because I've got multiple accounts, in this particular account I've got $3,438 that have been paid, and there's a couple of dollars there that needs to be paid. Another program that I'm promoting, and so far using this system, bar about 2 of the sales, the rest have come from this system, I've made $1,489.60. On to some more commissions. And again, these commissions are being generated solely from this system. Currently $532.15. And finally, just an email of some other commissions coming through from another program. Okay, smaller commissions and some higher recurring commissions here. Now, these are just some of the commissions from this system. So what is this system I've been using and continue to use that have been helping me generate these ongoing commissions? So let's head over right away. So this system is called My Lead Gen Secret, otherwise known as MLGS. It's basically a system that provides you 100 leads per day in the make money online, work from home business opportunity niche. So it's very targeted, and they provide you with a mailing system that is CAMP spam compliant, which means they're co-registration leads that have basically opted in to a newsletter or some information. They've ticked a box and they've said, I'm happy to receive information on business opportunities from other third parties. Now, this other third party is actually the My Lead Gen Secret company, the person who runs it, and they have 10 lead partners where they gather lots of leads, thousands and thousands of leads, that they then split between the My Lead Gen Secret members. And we are allowed to mail these leads because they've given permission to do so. So basically, it looks like this when you log in. And you'll see there's some emails here that I've sent out over time. You can go back and reload past emails up as well, which makes it easier to send emails and is a time saver. You will see that I've got 200 leads today, and I'm going to explain that a bit more in a minute, because 100 of those leads are actually bonus leads. If I go to my leads, I'll see all the leads that I've received. So if I'm going to click on my leads, you'll see that I'm actually receiving 200 leads per day. Again, the default is 100 leads per day, and I'm going to go through that with you in a minute. Now, I'm not going to go and browse leads because it would give sensitive information away. I don't want to give people's email addresses away without permission. And you'll see I've got loads and loads of emails, and I've actually been a part of this system since 2019. So it stood the test of time, but I never really utilised it enough when I first joined the system. I've gone back to it, like many other people who joined the system, and are really utilising it nowadays, and I'm seeing great results. There's then some master email swipes, which is actually an optional upgrade when you join the system. They're not necessary, but they're pretty good. You can use them, and you can use them to promote different products and services. Then there's the mailing system. So if I click here, you can select all your leads. Currently I've got 288,600. I'm going to click on here, and they load up on the right hand side. Now, I, amongst others, recommend just doing mail by date, because if you go by mail by lead partner, you can pick specific lead partners, but just do mail by date. It's a lot easier. It goes to all your leads. You put your subject line in here and your email body in here. An instruction video as well, Mailing System 101 training, how to do it. You can also check out my YouTube channel, where I've got an extensive playlist on my lead gen secret and programs that you can get commissioned from using this great system. You can preload past emails up, it stores them for you, and you just load them up, and the subject line and body automatically goes within here. I've already sent today. Normally there is a preview button and a send button, and you can send every 24 hours, so once a day. Perfect timing is basically the timing that the person is most likely to open the email. So the lead subscriber that is in your database, that is a perfect timing feature, that basically they open their emails at a specific time and they know what time. So it just makes it better for you because more emails generally will get opened. Then there is your statistics tab. Now, don't go by this 100%, okay? Although it's possibly fairly accurate, isn't the most accurate, I believe, but it gives you some kind of idea on your open rates and your click-through rates on your emails. You'll see different open rates here and different click-through rates. Now, affiliates, this is important to get your bonus 100 leads. So this is your promotional tools. There's the sales page, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to right-click and I'm going to open this up. So when you join My Lead Gen Secret, you'll either see this page here, or what I like to use is called the sizzle page. So I'm just going to show you this page, or this page here. I like this page here. To me, it's a little bit more appealing, and it gives a lot of testimonials from different actual real members of their results. So it's good proof, and particularly when you're promoting My Lead Gen Secret, there's more proof there for your potential customers to see. There's also a video here as well. Now, when you get one referral, just one referral, your leads will go from 100 leads today to 200 leads per day. That's how you get the bonus leads. You can have multiple accounts. I have, and you can refer yourself using your own affiliate link. So some people have 1 account, 2 account, 3 account. I know people have gone up to 15 accounts. Now that to me is a bit overboard. 5 accounts is proven to be a good sweet spot with people who use My Lead Gen Secret. I personally have 5 accounts as well. Now the way you would do this is basically refer yourself through this link here, and then when you open your second account, find the referral link, refer yourself through the link in your second account, third account, fourth account, and so on. Now this is good because they have a 5 levels deep compensation plan, and don't worry, they've actually said we're allowed to refer ourselves. That is not a problem. And it's done in levels. So basically, if you refer somebody to My Lead Gen Secret, you will get a $5 commission. If then the person you refers somebody, you get $4. Then if the person they refers somebody, $3, $2, and $1. So it's a 5 level deep compensation plan. So that is really great. So if you refer yourself on 5 different accounts, you're going to actually receive some money back, which means your accounts are not going to cost you as much as they normally would. Okay, if you were to basically buy them out normal at the full cost. There is also some commissions on the email swipes. When somebody joins up out the gate, they were presented with a one-time offer at $29.95. You will get a commission on that. Or if you want to purchase later and they go to email swipes, the price goes up to $59.95 and you also receive a commission on that. So there's commissions to be made everywhere. There's also a weekly superstar bonus contest. If you make 5 sales on your main account within 1 week, you will get a $100 bonus. Okay, so that's really great. There is some pre-made email swipes that you can use to promote My Lead Gen Secret or other opportunities, as you so wish. As probably you realise, these swipes are being used by many people, so it's also good to use your own, but these swipes still do convert. You'll then have your commissions tab. Scroll down, and on this particular account, keep scrolling, there is $3,438 paid out, $2 remaining, and on the other accounts there's also some commissions on there as well. There's also your downline as well that you can check out here, and check out your level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels deep referrals and so on. There's some recommended advertising, but I haven't used any of them. I just stick to My Lead Gen Secret, and then there's all your account details here. So let's go back to the home page. So basically, it's a lead system that drip feeds all these leads into your account every single day of the week. So imagine if you're getting the default 100 and referred nobody to your account, you'll get 3,000 targeted business opportunity leads per week that you can mail using the mailing system which I've just shown you. You can put in new email swipes, you can preload old email swipes. Okay, it is entirely up to you. And then you can use pre-made email swipes from the programs that you promote. So all the programs I've shown you do have ready-made email swipes to go. Like, as you can imagine, again, because so many people are reading the same email swipes, it's always good to put your own spin on them, add a little bit of your own branding, your picture, links to your own website maybe, or your YouTube channel, all that kind of stuff. Again, I've got more extensive training on my playlist on My Lead Gen Secret where I go through all these hints, tips and strategies. I just wanted to show you what this system is all about. So yes, if you get the 3,000 leads per week, or if you get a referral of 200 leads per day, that's 6,000 leads per week. And the reason people have multiple accounts in My Lead Gen Secret is, of course, to scale things up and to make sales quicker. Also, if you have your first account, for example, and you're just running off one account, it's going to take longer to build up the leads than if you've got multiple accounts, and more likely more time to get any sales. And because of this, a lot of people will give up. It's not the fact that they may give up, it's the fact that they will, because we've seen it within this program. And if you refer yourself to this account through your own link, your leads will automatically get boosted to 200 per day instead of having to go out and promote it and hopefully get a sale to get those leads up to 200. Now you can promote My Lead Gen Secret, you can promote any offer that's make money online, work from home, and all those kind of offers. Again, you can check out my playlist on this great program. You can also check out the offers. I'll leave links to the offers that have got me sales, the ones I've demonstrated within this video for you as well. If you want to join, that's great. Okay, they are proven offers, and I'll continue to add more offers and links to help you out. So that is basically a program that you can join in order to get these sales. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. The thing you can do now is, if you want to start generating affiliate commissions and getting the leads provided for you without you having to go out there on Facebook trying to get leads and DMing people and paying lots of money on paid traffic, things like solo ads and other forms of pay-per-click advertising, you can join My Lead Gen Secret today, and it's only going to cost you $30 per month for each account. Now when you first join, it's going to cost $60. It's a one-time payment of $60. It's like a setup fee, and then moving forward, it's only going to cost you $30 per month to get those 100 to 200 leads per day. And then each account, obviously, that you set up when you change your account, it's going to cost you $60 and $30 a month moving forward. I've got 5 accounts, my commissions pay for all my accounts, and I've got money left over as well. And you find there's a lot of people who are in that position, and this system simply works. Okay, it works. It's proven to work time and time again since 2019. It's already 2024 when I'm calling this video, and a lot of us are still using this great little system. So if you want to join this system, click the link somewhere beneath this video. I've also got a bonus for you as well. There's more details about that, and I'll also have links to programs that have been proven to convert when promoting using my lead gen secret. Any questions, any queries, do not hesitate to contact me through the links below, and I'll catch you later. This is Carl Topping at your service. Catch you later. Bye for now.